Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ian Pius. I'm back again guys on another video where I always come here each and every week and then give you guys the analysis and opportunity in which you can come and get some juicy trade that you can take in the middle of the week. So today I'm back again guys with great videos with great analysis that are really gonna do something about your trading life in the days or month to come, because there are really kind of pretty moves that is really soon gonna start happening. So for now guys, let's go straight to our video. And before I go down there and tap onto the subscribe button, so whenever I'll be releasing any video, you'll be the first person to come and watch this video guys. So for now, let's go straight to our video. So right now guys, I'm having some like some few pairs that I'm gonna analyze. The first pair, it's gonna be GBP USD. GBP has just been kind of trending on a bullish only, but I haven't like come in GBP USD for some quite a while because I haven't got that kind of GC trade. But today I'm back again guys with some GC entry guys. So let's first start by analyzing from a higher time frame, which is monthly time frame. We could see GBP USD, the levels that is really popping in between in monthly level. These are because this blue bar that was my monthly level, this and this. So the market just moving in between these two zones, this and this, and the market always move from zone to zone. So the market is moving from this zone A to zone B, and my prime target for GBP USD, yeah, is at 4.4. I mean 1.43000. And that is my overall prime target for GBP USD, because I'm seeing everything bullish monthly level. If we could see from here, the market came and give us another another that pullback, which always does a trick in a monthly time frame, and then started trending. Me, our only thing I've been waiting for is for the market to break this supply level, which has been kind of strong. If you could see from here, it's been quite a long while. When the market come and tap it, it goes down. The market come and tap it, come and tap it, goes down. And now, right now, as I'm talking, the market has already broken it all the way to the upside, guys. This is the place where I've been waiting for the market to break it, and the market has already broken it to the upside. So I'm really pretty 90% bullish in this trade, but I haven't entered the pairs. I haven't entered my trades, as you guys could see. So this is my monthly level. Everything is bullish. Let's first go to weekly and see what's really happening, guys. I will not take much time in this analysis because I don't want it to take much of your time, mostly when you are watching it. So as you could see, in our weekly level, the market came and break it, break this zone, which I told you was a very huge supply zone. The market has been tapping, dropping. The market has been tapping, dropping. The market has already broken it and retested in a weekly bullish engulfing, which shows us this market is really pretty bullish in this time frame. In this weekly time frame, as you guys could see, this is a weekly time frame, and this is really very big a very big bullish move. If you guys could see this, and this market is making a slide over high highs and high lows. Okay, you could see these are high highs here, high lows. The market is now making another high highs here, high lows. So the market is gonna come and make another high highs here. So this market is really pretty bullish, and it's making high highs and high lows only in weekly time frame, as we could see. So how am I going to be able to enter into this trade? I can't enter in this trade in a weekly time frame. I just weekly, monthly, daily, they just help me to get much more bigger picture of the trades of the whole picture, and then I always come and execute my trade from a 4 hour time frame, guys. So let us go to a daily time frame and see what's really truly happening our daily time frame, guys. As you guys could see, I thought my entry was somewhere around here, but I didn't take this trade because I thought this market is gonna come and give us another touch of the trend line, but it didn't happen. So what am I seeing right here? Pretty simple, guys. The market already broken this. I came and draw another supply, another yellow zone, another supply zone here, where if the market breaks it, will give you much and more potential to enter this trade, guys. And the market even finally it broke it, as you guys could see. Sorry guys, my internet is kind of weak today. Yeah, yeah. It's already back. show the back. As you guys could see, the market from here, even the market, you see the market has been taking quite much time to break it all the way to the upside. But after when it broke it, the market came and retested this yellow zone from here. So that's why I came and draw this yellow zone because it's supporting, and then it's even resisting from this side. So sorry guys. So now from here, what am I gonna do from here, guys? The market has already broken my level, and the only thing I'm waiting for in this time frame is in 4 hours, guys. Is in 4 hours. So what am I waiting for in 4 hours? I'm waiting for market to come at least retest this zone. Yeah, I'm waiting for the market to come and retest this zone once more before I continue rolling all the way to the upside. So my entry is about, it's at around 1.36 hour. I'm waiting for the market to come and the retest zone is on around 1.36000, guys. So this is where I'm looking for my entry. I want the market to come and tap here once more and then continue its move to the upside, guys. Yeah, I'm waiting for the market to come and tap here once more and then continue its moves to the upside. Then I will come here and draw my, guys, I always like using my counter trend line break because the only thing that can help you not to be kind of in a fake out. And then I come and draw my counter trend line. The market broke it above with the bullish engulfing in the 4 hours. That's when I'll come and execute my trade, guys. So for now, I'll be patient and wait for this break of the counter trend line. If the market drop here, draw my counter trend line, then the market breaks it, I enter, and then stop loss always about the structure, and then rally it all the way to my overall TP, which are 1.4300, guys. So let for now just be patient and be waiting for my GBP USD to do whatever it wants to. So I'll just sit tight and wait. So another trade is my last, guys. I talked to you guys last week about Euro USD, guys. How I'll be able to enter this trade, and I've already entered this trade. This trade has already tapped onto my first TP. But let's first go into some higher time frame. Let me first go to a weekly time frame and see what is truly happening. As you guys could see, remember last time I told you guys to wait for the market to come and retest here once more, and then when it retested, then you can execute the trade. But the market just kept on going up. But I'm still seeing some much of the pullback to come and retest this zone once more before it breaks all the way to this zone. And right, I told you guys my overall TP is at 1.23000, 1.2300, and that is my overall TP. And this my immediate TP where I will take some of my profit. This is the first TP where I'll take some of the profit, and then this is the second TP. The market gets here, bring my entry to break even, then let the rest of the thing the market to do whatever it wants to. So for now, let's go to a daily time frame, see what is really happening. You could see the market come and tap on this supply zone as the way I told you guys. And what I'm gonna say, I want the market to come pull back once more here to make, because this is already a higher highs, to make another higher low here and then continue with it all the way to the upside. So how am I going to be able to this trade? I will come to 4 hour and then, guys, what I'm gonna do is just pretty simple. I want the market to come and tap this green bar once more before it continue going all the way to the upside, just like this. I want one more tap somewhere here and then tap to the upside. Then this would be much and more, yeah, like somehow like this. One more tap all the way to the upside. My stop loss below the structure. If you guys could say this is my 4 hour, I always execute my trade in a 4 hour. The market already tapped on my first TP and I already taken some of the profit, brought my entry to break even. I want the market to come and tap here once more, then I'll be able to enter on more entries to rally this market all the way to the upside. So if the market doesn't like come and tap here and then it broke it all the way to the upside, the only thing I'll wait for the same thing to break it, come and retest this green zone once more, and then continue all the way to the upside. This green zone is at around 1.7 1.17453, guys. If the market didn't pull back, I don't think I'll wait for the market to break and then retest it and then continue all the way to the upside. So I'm having two ways that I will be able to enter more sizes into this market. I'll go wherever it's going to be happening. So guys, so for now, I'll just sit tight and then wait for Euro USD to do its thing, guys. So let's go to another pair. Which pair am I gonna analyze? Yeah, guys. GBP AUD last guys. Remember I talked to you guys about. And let's first see GBP USD. What GBP USD is doing, guys. What GBP USD is. I mean, no. I'm talking about GBP AUD. Sorry, guys. I'm talking about GBP AUD. Yeah, and this is my GBP AUD. Remember, guys, last time I told you guys GBP AUD is still pretty bullish, and my prime target, my first immediate prime target is at around 2.16010, and then my overall TP is around 2.2500, guys. So you could see here the blue bars that are always my monthly zone, and the purple bars that are always my weekly zone. So this is my blue zone, which the market, I always told you the markets move from zone to zone. And this is the second zone that I'm seeing where the market is coming to. If the market broke it, then the market is gonna continue coming all the way to up here. But this is my immediate prime target that I'm seeing the market is coming to. So what am I seeing here? The market already broken this strong supply zone where it's has always been just pulling. If you guys could see, the market has come here, pull, the market comes here, pull, and finally the market already broken all the way to the upside. And what I'm waiting for, even I already done the market, if you go to a high lower time frame, you could see some good retest, more so in a weekly time frame. You could see some juicy, nice retest right here. So what am I seeing? I'm seeing the market is coming here at around 2.16010. So how will I be able to enter into this trade, guys? Pretty simple. Come into daily time frame. Let me first remove this. Come into daily time frame, and the market has already broken my counter trend line break. Wait, we could say a broke of my counter trend line break. So I'm just waiting for the market to break above here and then come back and retest it in a 4 hour, then continue where it moves to the all the way to the upside. So if you guys could see even from a weekly time frame, guys, the market broke this counter trend line with a bullish engulfing in a weekly time frame, which shows us there is much more momentum of a bullish movement into the upside. So my daily time frame is really, yeah, my daily time frame is really pretty clear. Let me go to 4 hour arm. I'm going to execute this trade. Still pretty more simple. Let me just wait for much more pullback to somewhere around here. That's why I'll come and execute this trade, or I'll wait for the market to give me a very clear breakout above here, then come back retest once more, then I'll continue with this trade all the way to my prime target, guys, which is the first one here, my first TP, and then the second TP is this one here. So for now, I'm just gonna be waiting for market to do whatever it wants to. But still, the market right now, it's at its zone, guys. So you can't just come and just jump into this trade just like that. You need a very clear and pretty confirmation. They just come, just can come and just enter just like that. I need a very clear confirmation, guys. So right now, just keep on wait, let the market break it very clearly, retest it, and then continue all the way to the upside. So guys, everything is pretty clear right here. Everything is pretty clear right here. What I'm just gonna be doing, just to be patient and wait for the market to do whatever it wants to, guys. So let's first go into another prayer, guys. What am I seeing into another prayer, guys? Yeah, US data has just been pretty bullish, and I've kind of like US data the way it was moving. And remember last time, guys, I talked to you guys about US30. Remember my last video, if you have watched it, you heard me talk about US30 to come and give me one more retest right here. This way I came and entered US30, guys. The market already tap my first TP. What am I seeing in US30 in more weeks to come, guys? I want much and more clear break of this zone right here. I want much more clear break in this zone right here around for the for the 3,938.85, guys. I want a very clear break. If the market breaks it like this, if the market break it very clearly like this, come and retest it, I will continue with this trade all the way to its prime target, which is at 45,000, guys. US30 all the way to the moon, guys. Trading, being a swing trader, really so great, guys. It's one of the best thing I've ever just felt, guys. Cause just be patient, just sit down, and then the market do everything that it wants to, and just become and just wait for the money to meet itself for yourself. So swing traded to the moon, guys. So everything is pretty bullish here. I'm not seeing any kind of bearish momentum right for now. So everything is pretty bullish. This is what I'm gonna see how the year started. Then I will come and add on to match some of my entries right here, and then right now I've already locked on taking some of my profit and then locked my entry to break even, then getting the market to continue moving all the way to the upside. So what am I saying again? Let's first go and say about this prior, guys. Gbpjpy. Remember last time I talked to you guys about Gbpjpy, and I'm still holding this trade to my prime target, my first prime target, which at 199.856, guys. This is my first TP. When it comes here, I will take some of my profit, then the rest I will let it rally all the way to 208.00, guys. What's happening into Gbpjpy, guys? What is happening in Gbpjpy? As guys you could see last time I told you guys, let's first go to weekly time frame and see what is really happening in Gbpjpy. This zone is kind of very strong, as you guys could see. This weekly zone, I need to see a very clear bullish engulfing in a weekly time frame for me to come and jump more into this pair, guys, because really this zone is kind of pretty strong, as you guys could see from my high time frame. So what am I gonna see into this pair? What is it gonna do in the days that's going to be coming? As you guys could see, the market's already broken my monthly zone, is some here, which is somewhere here. The market has broken my weekly zone. The market's already above to tap onto this one. So what am I gonna see in the coming days to come? I'm seeing Gbpjpy is gonna come here and give one more tap into this zone somewhere around here. One more tap somewhere around here, then it will continue with its movement to all the way to the upside, guys. It's about ready to tap my first TP, as you guys could see. Gbpjpy was about to tap my first TP somewhere here, then I will take some of my profit, bring my entry to break even. Then if the market pulls back, there are always two things that's gonna happen. Either the market just gonna come here, tap, then add onto some of the entries, or the market will break above like this, or the market will break above like this, or break it above, retest it once more, then I'll also continue the order with the upside. So I'll just be patient and wait for anything the market to do. The market pulls back down here, and then I will jump onto it. If the market breaks above continue, I will jump onto it too. So because I'm seeing Gbpjpy stay pretty bullish, I'm not seeing any bearish momentum in Gbpjpy, guys. So let's be patient and wait for Gbpjpy to do whatever it wants to. So guys, let me just give you some. mm, These are the only pairs I wanted to talk about, but let me just give you some brief entry about Gbpjpy, guys, because Gbpjpy is really even pretty bullish, very pretty bullish. Let me first give you from higher perspective. You guys could see, Gbpjpy has been pretty bullish, as you guys could see. Inside here, the market has been really pretty kind of consolidating, and the market has already broken above to the upside. The only thing I've been waiting for the market to do was to break this blue zone, which is my monthly zone, to the upside, and my another prime target is at 200.00, guys. This is my another prime target. How did I get this prime target? It was just pretty simple. I measured the 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 amount of pips the market has been kind of pretty consolidating right here. It's gonna be the same amount of pip when the market breaks above. That's when it's gonna rally too. That's why I started coming with this zone right here. Yeah, that's how I started coming with this zone right here. So the same amount of pips the market consolidated around here will be the same amount of pips when the market breaks above. It's gonna rally. So right now, what am I gonna do now? My monthly level is really pretty bullish. My weekly, if you guys could say, is also pretty bullish right here. So what am I gonna do? Pretty simple, bro. My counter trend line. All I want is the market to come and give us another touch of the trend line right here, somewhere like this, another touch like this. Then I'll continue with this pair to its overall TP, guys. So for now, let's be patient and wait for the market to do whatever it wants to. So, guys, we have come to the end of the video, and if you really find value into this video, I want you guys to tap onto the subscribe button, like, comment, and give me any kind of question, give me any kind of pairs you want me to talk about. And for now, guys, thank you, and then have a great week, which is gonna come, a great trading week. And so thank you and peace out.